Have you ever been ghosted or ignored by a woman you really like? Maybe she stopped responding to your texts, or suddenly, her attention seems to be elsewhere. You're sitting there wondering, what did I do wrong? Well, here's the truth. You might be focusing on the wrong question entirely. What if I told you there's a way to flip the script, to make her rethink ignoring you entirely? In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to act when a woman ignores you, and trust me, she'll never see it coming. First, let's get one thing straight. When a woman ignores you, it doesn't always mean she's lost interest. Sometimes it's a test, a need for space, or simply her being busy. But here's the mistake most guys make. They panic, bombard her with messages, or worse, start chasing her harder. This only pushes her further away. Instead, here's what you should do. Absolutely nothing. That's right, when she pulls back, you pull back too. Silence is powerful. It shows confidence and emotional maturity. Now, instead of sitting around wondering why she's ignoring you, shift that energy to improving yourself. Hit the gym, dive into your hobbies, or spend time with people who value you. Why? Because confidence is magnetic, and when she sees you thriving without her constant validation, she'll start to question why she let you slip off her radar. Now, here's where things get interesting. After a few days or even weeks of silence, send her a light, unexpected message. Something casual and positive like, "Hey, just saw something that reminded me of you, hope you're doing great." This works because it's not needy, it's confident, and it reopens the door without pressure. She won't expect this shift in energy, and it'll intrigue her. But remember, don't overdo it. Your goal is to show her that you're cool, collected, and in control of your emotions. Lastly, understand this. Not every woman who ignores you is worth your time or effort. If she continues to ignore you despite your best efforts, it's a sign to move on. Value yourself enough to walk away from situations that don't serve you. Trust me, the right person won't make you question your worth. So, there you have it, the ultimate guide on how to act when a woman ignores you. Remember, silence is powerful, self-improvement is key, and confidence is king. Follow these steps, and not only will you regain control of the situation, but you might even surprise her in the process. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever been ignored, and how did you handle it? Drop your stories in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tips on mastering relationships, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.